it certainly was adventure time, and I certainly didn't know what I was doing.
Alright, it is official! I have hit the road on my great big adventure. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I have a general idea where I'm going, but I really have no idea what I'm doing. But that's kind of the theme of a typical road adventure, and somehow or another, it always works out. Look at that squiggly line. Switchback City. So I'm currently on road 118 heading to the number 7, and I'm gonna head all the way south. I'm gonna be going through like the entire mountain ranges up here. And what is really, really cool about these roads is there's literally no traffic, and they're so amazing. Like, it is every rider's dream to be on these roads. It's incredible. It is getting a bit dark. I was quite far behind my day today. I had a bunch of things I had to do this morning and get before I was heading into the mountains, and I left too late. I had to unfortunately cut out a few things in my day. Well, actually everything I had to cut out, and I'm just trying to get to my camp spot before it's dark. Twisty turn, twisty turn, twisty turn, twisty turn! Wow! Oh. The thing about Taiwan is you can actually camp anywhere. It's not illegal to just pull up to a spot like this and camp for the night. I was trying to get to a special camp spot, but no. I'm gonna keep going. It's a pretty waterfall though. So I really don't want to get there in the dark. And it's getting dark still. Oh, there's heavy mist as well. I hope it doesn't rain. Suddenly coming into some ridiculously thick. I had to go so slowly here. At first I thought I was just getting smacked in the face by bugs. I can't ride with my visor up because I'm getting hit in the face by bugs. But then it appeared to be like thick rain droplets from this crazy fog. It's not bugs, it's rain. Oh shit, it's rain. Oh, super dense fog. Oh, I literally can't even see. Google says about 40 minutes to my camp spot. I have no idea what the conditions are going to be like, or if it's going to be raining when I get there. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy! Wow, I probably should have camped back there. That would have been a better choice. But I just kind of wanted to get to this specific spot, but I'm not scared at all. You know, it's such a funny situation because, okay, I'm by myself. It's so foggy, it's so thick, I can't see. Oh gosh. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. Really tall mountains here, and the weather really does all sorts of crazy things. At least there's no cars on the road, and I don't have to worry. Like, the road condition is so good, it's so smooth, like I don't have to worry about anything. I just have to go slow. So. Alright, back on the road. Bye guys. I really wish I got to enjoy that ride in the day. It was so windy, it was so nice. But that's the motorcycle cafe that I was supposed to come to earlier today. It looks like it's still open, but I'm not sure if it's actually open or not. But the lights are on and people are there, so I'm gonna go and get something to eat or just check it out. 30 minutes to get to the hot spring here. He was concerned, saying that it's dangerous to get to the hot spring right now because it's like 30 minutes off road and there's no light. Camping in a hot spring now. Yes. This Google Translate is amazing. It works so good here. Tomorrow for breakfast I will come for coffee. Okay. I heard this is a famous motorcycle cafe.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, tomorrow I come for coffee. So on the road there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, so is the restaurant open? Do you have any food?
Diane Cafe!
Cafe! Here is closed, but they're really nice. They're gonna make me some fried rice. And I'm gonna come back here in the morning for coffee and eat all day. I tried to get here so quickly, so I'm gonna head over to the hot spring camp. And then, hello! Thank you, 谢谢. So cute. He just gave me his business card and 2 packs of coffee to take with me, but I will be back in the morning to try their coffee. They're so sweet.
Not today. Holy cow, that is so steep. Whoa. I literally got my feet up. The dogs are chasing me. Oh shit. That was so scary. My feet were up. I didn't want them to bite me.
It was a little steep but manageable. I've made it down to the river. Apparently there's an amazing hot spring here. I'm just gonna try and find a place to camp near the river, I guess. And I got my packaged fried rice from that wonderful cafe. I'm so hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna hopefully check out the hot spring tonight and set up the camp and enjoy. This is a camp. It's a wild camp spot. It's not an actual campground, but there's quite a few people camping here, I guess, to visit the hot springs, and I think I might make a couple friends tonight. These are my neighbors. Hello, ni hao.
Hello.
What's your name?
Douglas.
Douglas. Douglas. And you are?
Owen.
Owen.
Yeah.
Okay, Owen and Douglas. And these are my neighbors for the night. Here, I gave them my YouTube card and they're checking it out right now. Hello. So I'm just about to set up my tent here, just next door. It's just along the river, but I have no idea what it looks like here because I arrived in the dark, so it's going to be a wonderful surprise in the morning. To be honest, I wasn't really prepared at all for this trip. But then again, I don't think all the preparations in the world can brace you for the path forward. You can make all the plans in the world, but life is on its own terms. The best plan is not to really have any at all, just to go with the flow and see what unfolds. Typically, I'm a very introverted person. Traveling pushes me out of my comfort zone and allows me to embrace new sides of myself and meet amazing new people. The guys, they say that apparently in the typhoon, the hot springs was damaged, so I think in the night it's not safe to go. It was only my first day on my own, and already I was faced with the reality. This is not going to be easy. The most difficult part being to capture my experience and create something big. But I forgot that it's not about the destination or how much you see. It's all in the moments in between that make the lasting memories. Still, it was a tiring effort doing it all on my own, and I was exhausted even before I started. I didn't capture as much as I'd wanted to because of this. And this is the point where my equipment also started to fail, and I lost all audio and sound. But as long as the day was, these small, beautiful interactions with the people and the thrill of the adventure made me feel alive. This is what makes solo travel so special. This is only the beginning, day 1 of my big Taiwan adventure.